Hey, I'm Oliver from Vanguard, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of our Ultraflex Delineator. You'll see this post out there in all sorts of different applications. We have 3 different colour types available, as you can see here. The orange is typically used for temporary traffic management, for example cordoning around slips or road dropouts. Yellow is typically used for more permanent long-term applications such as road safety improvements. And the white post is typically used where you want something that looks a bit more aesthetic, for example on cycleway separation or in CBD areas. The post itself is made from a polyurethane material, completely flexible, so it's designed to handle regular vehicle impacts on the road, and it's tested to handle 100 hits at 100 kilometers an hour. So the way it works is when a vehicle hits it, the entire post will bend in half and then pop back to shape again. We often get asked by clients, like, what's the difference between this post and cheaper ones out there? And you'll find the main difference is in the actual material. There's cheaper posts on the market, but they won't handle as many impacts, and so over time, that post material is gonna either fragment or tear off, which means you're gonna have to replace it sooner. So it's important to make sure that you're investing in a product that is durable and fit for purpose. So what comes in the box? When you order an Ultraflex Delineator, it's gonna be supplied as the 900mm high flexible post, the mounting base with 4 fixing points, and the connecting pin which joins the post onto the base. So you've got arrows on the post, you line that up with where the pin slots through, insert the post, and then put your locking pin in and knock that in with a hammer. Once that pin's connected, that stops the post from pulling out of the base when vehicles hit it. These can be used for either temporary or permanent applications. For temporary applications, where you're only going to be putting these in for say a few weeks to maybe a few months, we use what's called a butyl pad, or some people call a Bundy pad or a tar pad. The way it works is you peel the backing layer off, heat it up with a heat gun, stick it onto the road, peel the other side off, heat that up, and then stick your post on. However, if you're installing for any longer than a couple of months, we recommend you move to fixings for durability of the installation. And we have either a 75mm long concrete screw or also 75mm long asphalt coach screw and plug. This is one of many different delineation devices we have at Vanguard. If you're wanting something that's a bit more physical, a bit more longer lasting, you might want to check out our Ultra Separator system, which is where we actually use the same delineator post, but we place it inside rubber bases for a more physical separation. If you have any further questions, or you want to have a chat about what delineation device is the best one for your project, our team are always here to assist.